Welcome. Today in front of me Vivo X80 Pro, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we will see how fast this feature is and does it works. So just let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works here so fast, just less than in half of a second we can unlock the device. This is the really good result for the face unlock feature. I just want to try one more thing. I'll unlock the device without my glasses because I've set up my face recognition with the glasses, and now I'll try unlock the device without them, and we'll see does it works. So as we can see, that's just no problem. That's the face unlock feature works also correct. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget and be careful that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or PIN codes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.